Question number 21. The table shows the results of a poll. A total of 803 voters selected at random were asked which candidate they would vote for in the upcoming election. According to the poll, if 6,424 people vote in the election, by how many votes would Angel Cross be expected to win? So we are okay. There has been an experiment or a survey or a poll on a small group, and we're looking for the result of that on a larger group. So we're going to make a proportion here. From out of 803, say that 483 of them are going to vote for Angel Cross. So I'm going to have my proportion. Out of 803, 483 of them voted for Angel Cross. How many of them is going to vote for Angel Cross from 6,424? So I'm going to solve for x and see what is going to be the number of votes for Angel Cross here. So let's solve for x. X is going to be equal to, I'm going to multiply this by there. So I have the x isolated, x cross multiplication. So x is going to be 483 times 6424 divided by 803, which is going to be 3,864. 3,864. Okay, so this is the number of votes for Angel Cross, and we see this choice in this answer in the choices, but this is a tricky question actually. It says by how many votes would Angel Cross be expected to win? So this doesn't mean how many votes Angel Cross is going to have. This means what will be the number of votes, how many more votes will Angel Cross get than the Terry Smith? How many more votes is he going to get? So let's find what is the number of votes for Terry Smith. If from 6,424 this much is for Angel Cross, we can subtract it and find the number of votes for Terry Smith. So 6424 minus 3864. So the number of votes for Terry Smith is going to be 2560. 2560 is the number of votes. So by how many votes Angel Cross is winning, we can subtract 3864 minus 2560. Okay, she got 1,304 votes more than the Terry Smith. So the answer actually is going to be 3864 minus 2560, which is equal to 1304. This is the number of votes that she's going to be expected to win by. So that's going to be choice B, not C. This was a tricky question. This is a question from an official practice test inside the BlueBook application. I've solved every single question in the practice test of the BlueBook, and I put the full video explanations inside my free community. You can check the community as well. We have courses, resources, and we do live sessions every week to increase your SAT math score. So link in the bio and description, feel free to join.